10 health benefits of dried fish maw. Dried fish maw is a prized delicacy in many Asian cuisines. Beyond its rich flavor and texture, it offers impressive nutritional value. This dried swim bladder from fish is packed with health-boosting properties that make it more than just a culinary treat. Here are the 10 health benefits of dried fish maw you should know. 1. High in collagen. Fish maw is rich in collagen, which supports skin elasticity, reduces wrinkles, and promotes joint health. 2. Excellent protein source. It provides high-quality protein and essential amino acids that help repair tissues and build muscles. 3. Boosts immune system. Fish maw contains nutrients that support immune function, helping the body fight off illness and infections. 4. Regulates blood sugar. Some studies suggest it may help balance blood sugar levels, making it beneficial for those managing diabetes. 5. Supports lung health. Traditional medicine often uses fish maw to support lung function and soothe respiratory discomfort. 6. Aids digestion. It contains natural compounds that promote digestive health and ease gastrointestinal issues. 7. Rich in minerals. Fish maw offers essential minerals like calcium and phosphorus, which are crucial for bone and dental health. 8. Good for the heart. Its low fat content and possible cholesterol-lowering effects may support overall heart health. 9. Improves blood circulation. Fish maw may enhance blood flow, supporting energy levels and organ function. 10. Anti-aging benefits. With its collagen and antioxidant properties, fish maw can help slow signs of aging and keep skin youthful. Incorporating fish maw into your diet is an easy and delicious way to boost your health. These 10 health benefits of dried fish maw make it a smart addition to any wellness-focused lifestyle. Always consult with your doctor to get the best recommendation. Thanks for watching.